Baby, you know it has been 15 years we have been dating. I tried to make it official by bringing this flower. Please, will you marry me?
Me? Take flower from you?
Yes.
Maybe if it was like last year, I would have said okay. But now I have a very sweet, cute guy that promised to give me a car on my birthday. As you can see, I'm waiting for him. Yeah? Okay, your flower and shit. Be cool.
Baby, do you know where I went to buy this flower?
So the Ghana, off your bloom. I don't cheat. I'm tired. And sisters, I'm going for cute, batty guys.
This flower from the top of my heart.
So we're gonna UK party. You can't go.
Don't feel.
Okay, this guy, no, this cute guy is not really young vibe. Okay, as you are using my conductor.
Me.
Hey!
Who is this?
My neighbor.
Okay, neighbor.
Yes, neighbor.
Fancy fan.
Here's the khaki now.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Closer. Surprise! This is your birthday gift.